Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Open Sim Studio. And in today's video, I'm going to explain how to use spreadsheet in FreeCAD because that's a powerful tool. Because if you use spreadsheet, you can have a parametric model and you can change whenever you made a change in the Excel sheet or the spreadsheet, it is going to reflect in your geometry. So I'll show you how to do that. Go to new, then you need to create a part. But before that, if you have any idea about the part, you can directly go to spreadsheet by clicking here. You will get the spreadsheet option and you can create a new spreadsheet. This is the option to create a new spreadsheet. Similarly, you can open the spreadsheet as a CSV format. Similarly, if you want to export, you can use it, and number of Excel options are there, the formatting, all these things. But for our purpose, we are going to create a new spreadsheet, and which will be a simple one. So I'm going to create a name for this parameter, and before that I will explain my idea is to create a rectangular box. Then I want to change the length, width and height. So next is width, sorry, here, width, then height. So I'm going to give some values. This is 50, and the rest of the values I'm actually making the first value as my key dimension, or the all these or the other two dimensions are based on the first dimension. So I'll write equal to, then I will, sorry, equal to b2 star 2. This is twice, one second, there is a circular dependency error. Wait, I'll check that, 1 second. Sorry, b2, this is not b2, actually this is b1. Okay, now it is correct. Similarly, I can go for b2 star 1 point or 0.5. Yeah, now if I change the value here, if I make this 100, everything will change. And based on this, I'm going to create the parameters. So first of all, I can name it as b1 or b2, b3, but I don't like that name, so I'm going to change the name as length. And don't forget to press enter, because that's a key to create the point. And you can see there is a color change because it's a name is assigned there. And the second one, I'm going to give width, then you must press enter, otherwise it won't work. Next, the last one is height. So these are my 3 points, and if you want, you can change your spreadsheet name here. I'm going to give parameter. Then next one, I'm going back to my geometry. I'm going for part design. Then I'll create a sketch in this plane. Then I'll create a rectangle, and I'm going to constrain this. 1 second. I'll select these 3 points and make it symmetry. 1 second. This one. Sorry. First I need to select this point. First I need to select this point, then this point. Then if I click symmetry, then it will be similar. So if you increase the length and width, everything will change. Next, I'm going to give some dimension here. If you go to the dimensions, you can see you can constrain the horizontal dimension here. If you want to give the length, just click here. Then you must type spreadsheet. Then you will be provided with the length, width and height. So this case I'm selecting the length. Okay, it automatically set as 100. Similarly, I'm going to give the second dimension, sorry, you need to change this into vertical distance, and I'll change this into width. Spreadsheet, 1 second, spreadsheet, then width. Okay, the last one, once I completed this sketch, go back to the sketch and just go for the pad option, and here also you can click here, you can change this into spreadsheet height. One more important thing, this is case sensitive. If you give a small if you don't give the capital letter here, it won't detect. So it is advisable to keep all the letters as such. It is case sensitive. So next one, and okay, I'll close this. If I go to the parameter, suppose I change this into 200, everything will be changed. And if you go back to your model, you can see it's changed to 200. And similarly, if you go back to the sketch, you can see all the sketched dimensions, everything is changed to the new dimension. So similarly, you can create any number of things, any number of parameters, and you can adjust from here. This is a nice feature because sometimes changing each time change the dimensions is a very painful task, and this will help you to solve that problem. Thank you.
Let me know if you have any doubts. Feel free to post your questions in the comment section. I will address them to the best of my knowledge. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for updates, and please share your comments and likes. They really encourage me to keep going. And I'm going to release a lot of videos related to solid modeling, simulation, structural analysis, computational fluid dynamics. Thank you.